In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use motion control with Weavy AI. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple workflow that combines your prompt with a video or photo and then drives the animation using Kling motion control. Start by opening the Weavy AI app in your browser. If it's your first time here, think of Weavy as a visual workspace where you connect blocks into a flow. Once you're in, either create a new file to start fresh or open an existing project if you've already begun experimenting. A clean file helps you focus on the core pieces we'll add next. Add a prompt block to your workflow. This is where you'll tell the model what to create or emphasize. Click into the prompt field and type a clear descriptive instruction. Include the subject, style, and any motion or camera cues you care about. For example, slow, cinematic dolly forward on a vintage motorcycle at sunset, high detail, warm color grading. Keep it concise but specific. Shorter, targeted prompts often produce more predictable results. Next, add the Kling motion control to your workflow. This model is designed to interpret movement while respecting your prompt, which is ideal for stylizing or guiding motion without losing the underlying dynamics. Think of it as the engine that transforms a static image into motion or enhances a video's movement based on what you've described. Import a video or a photo you want to use. Video will pass its motion cues into the model. A photo will be animated following the model's learned motion. Connect both the media input and your prompt to the Kling motion control block. In the canvas, that usually means dragging a line from your prompt block to the model's text input and another from your media block to the model's media input. If your file is large, consider trimming or compressing to speed things up. Also, make sure you have rights to use any footage or images you upload. With everything connected, click Run Model. The processing time will vary based on the length and resolution of your media and the complexity of your prompt, so let it work without refreshing the page. When the run completes, you'll see the output associated with your workflow. If the motion feels too fast or the style isn't quite right, refine your prompt wording or swap in a different source clip and run again. Small prompt adjustments, like clarifying camera movement or lighting, can make a big difference. That's it. You've set up Weavy AI with Kling motion control, combined your prompt with media, and run the model to generate motion-aware results.